Hey, real quick, I just want to say thank you. We reached over 100 subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like it, hit the like button and comment. You know, I like responding to comments. I think it's pretty fun. So thank you to everybody that's already subscribed. And if you're a new viewer, I hope you enjoy this video. And thanks for stopping by. All right, y'all. You're watching Fishing Fever. My name's Austin. Back on the bank, trying to catch a couple channel cats, maybe blue, maybe flathead. You never really know here. Just gonna be using some cut bait, crappie, brim, and night crawlers. See what we can come up with. Y'all stick around and see what we can do. Been a pretty busy week / weekend. Went to Bugs Island yesterday, trying to get on a big one, but didn't get jack squat. Spent about 6 hours out there, and I mean, nothing, just absolutely nothing. But that's okay. Came home, I was a little disheartened, and the wife says, hey, the kids are gonna be with the grandparents tomorrow if you want to go fishing again. I said okay. So she wanted to try to catch a bass, and so I took her to a local pond or lake, whatever you want to call it. It's not that big, but and then I felt bad because she didn't catch anything. I caught a decent one and caught a couple of decent crappie. Kept one of the crappie for bait, and the bass I caught, I don't know, 3 pounds, 2.5, 3 pounds maybe. Pretty good. So then we went out to eat, and she's at a gender reveal party right now for one of her friends. And I said, I thought I was gonna have to go to it, but she said, no, you can go catfishing. I said, that's why I married you. So, yellow jacket. But that's what we're gonna try to do. And then tonight we're going to one of those like haunted trail walkthrough things, and I scare pretty easy, so that ought to be interesting. I got to tie on a couple, or I had to tie on a couple new rigs. I just got one more to do, because at Bugs Island I fish with 10-aught hooks, and here I fish with 6-aughts for the most part, unless I'm using some big live bait. But if you've never seen how to, it's pretty easy how to snell a hook. I just put the leader line into the hook just like that. You pull a little bit extra and then wrap it around. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I do at least 8. On like a 10-aught hook I might do 9 or 10. And then you take the other part of your line, the long part, and you put it back through the eye of the hook the same way that you came out. So, and then just cinch it down, and it's called a no-knot snell, and it's the easiest thing that you could learn to do. And you know you got it tied right. If you lay it on your hand and you drag your hand, drag the line over your hand, and if it wants to catch your hand like that, then you know you got it tied right. And then I cut off right there at even with like the back of the hook is usually what I do, and that's not going to scare the catfish off. But after that I might put a bead on there or something. And you know, we're just talking bank fishing. If I was fishing like I was at Bugs Island, this is one of the rigs I got there with a little demon dragon and then a 10-aught hook, or I'll put a float on there. It depends on what I'm doing. Usually I'm dragging, so I'll put a float on there. But pretty simple. And then to tie it onto my main line, I just put it through your swivel, and I just use you can call it a fisherman's knot or an improved clinch knot, but you've got it through the swivel, and I just wrap it around about 5 times, put it back through that loop. That was probably a terrible illustration, but then you're going to pull it down. I take it and I wet it with my mouth, because if not, you can cause a bunch of friction and heat and it can damage the line. Then it's going to look about like that. And then the catfish, it's not too line shy, so you know, you don't have to cut it off, cut the tag line off too close. That's really all you need in order to catfish. You probably don't even need that. And then I'm using Mad Cat's sinker slides with 4-ounce no roll sinkers. And here's another thing that I like. So these beads right here, these come from Mad Cat's, and they're rubber. They're not hard plastic or glass. They're actually a rubber. So you can slide them on there, and then they'll actually slide over top of the knot. You see that? And that does about as good of a job as at protecting that knot as you're going to find out there. So I would highly recommend those beads if you're using beads to protect your knots. Whew. What the heck? Almost lost a rod. What the heck do we have here? My God. A big old fat blue. Come here, you big baby. Oh my gosh, that's a good blue, y'all. That's a really good blue. Oh my goodness gracious. I was packing up to leave. Whew. All right, great. Hey, that was a hell of a bite. Oh, this bank is slick. Oh, God. Woo! Dang. All right, hold on. Ow, gosh, dog. The fish got a strong jaw. I don't use pliers, I don't use gloves. Oh, there we go. Lord. Have mercy. Oh, y'all, that's a fat puppy. Woo! Woo! That was awesome. Oh, he's got a big old head on him. Woo! He's a teener, upper teens. Wow, I was not expecting a blue like that to be here tonight. I got like 5 minutes till I gotta leave. I am so thankful that he showed up. Holy cannoli. Wow. Dude. Don't curl that tail in. Why you gotta do that? That's a fat puppy. Whoo. Lord have mercy. All right, we're gonna let this guy go. Holy cannoli. Oh, dang, bro. Oh, you got a strong jaw. I gotta turn my other camera on so I can see what I'm doing. Holy moly. Oh, God. Go on out of here. Whew. Wow. Okay. All right, so he's let go. I tried to get some film of him swimming off, and I was trying to create a YouTube short at the same time, which is kind of difficult, but I think I figured it out. Fish had a strong jaw, man. I'm dying to see that bite on the camera, by the way. That was freaking awesome. Well, I was supposed to leave like 5 minutes ago, so thank you all so much for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to. There's more of this to come. I try my best to do weekly uploads. Y'all keep on fishing. I really enjoy it, so if you want to comment and ask whatever questions or whatever, that's pretty cool. God, this is stupid. Comment, ask whatever questions you want to, or whatever, say whatever you want to. Well, pretty much, you know, don't, dang it.